Okay, so hey, how is it going, guys? Today is my day off, so I decided to take a quick walk since the weather is good. It's only -3, unlike in the past few days that it actually reached like -29, which is extremely cold. So today, although it's still cold, but it's not that cold and it's bearable. So I'm going to talk about the how you can get a driving license in New Brunswick. I got this question in my Facebook. Somebody sent me a message asking about how to obtain a driving license here. I'm doing this video for you and to everyone as well who are searching or looking to get a driving license in New Brunswick. Now just remember that every province in Canada has a different requirements or different labels for their licenses. In New Brunswick, the basics are Class 7-1, Class 7-2, and Class 5. Before I go through that, I'm going to let you know first about the requirements. So the only requirements that you will need to get a driving license here would be your birth certificate, your ID or passport. Actually, the birth certificate isn't that really necessary because I wasn't asked for that. I just provided them my passport. So what they really want to know is your age, if you're already in the legal age. For our passport, it would show there our date of birth, so that's already good. You will also need your proof of billing. So you should have at least 2 documents which states where you are living. They just want to make sure that you are really from New Brunswick. What I did was I presented to them my cell phone billing and also my bank statement. So that contains my address. Now, after I presented those requirements, they then asked me to pay in the counter. I just forgot what is the exact. I just forgot what is the exact amount. I'm just gonna probably put it here, make some characters in this part. So after I make the payment, I proceed to the eye test or the vision test. They would just want to check if you can clearly see. Yeah, basically it's like an eye test. It's not the same in the Philippines that they will ask you to read something. There you will have to put your eyes in like a device that would test your eye, test your responsiveness. So yeah, that's it. And then after that, they will ask you to do the written test. So so for the written test or the knowledge test, you will be given 40 items. First 20 items would be all science, and then the second items would be about safe driving practices. So like what is the designated speed, different situational, like how you park in a slope. So yeah, those stuff. Once you pass that test, you will then be given a driver's license Class 7-1. So Class 7-1 will allow you to operate motor vehicles with the supervision of a Class 5 driver's license holder. So Class 5 driver's license holder, that's like the pro equivalent in our license in the Philippines. Now, if you already have a driving license in the Philippines, you can proceed with taking the road test or the practical test. They're really strict here, so you should really demonstrate to the officer that you can drive, that you follow rules, that you're comfortable driving. A lot of people are passing. They were looking at me, but I don't care. So yeah, so you have to prove that you can really drive. Now, a lot of people are saying that if you're from the Philippines to get a certificate from the LTO. I did that actually. I went to the LTO office in the Philippines and I got the certification from them that I didn't have any violation. But when I got here, I presented it to the Service New Brunswick, the one that's conducting the test. He said that they don't require that. So that is not needed. Don't need that. Don't waste your time going to the LTO, lining up and doing those stuff because they won't need that document. Right? The only thing that they will need from you is your driving license. And you have to have the plastic driver's license because they don't accept the paper. In fact, when I got here, I have the old plastic for my driver's license, and my renewal is only in paper because there's no plastic available, or ID plastic available when I got my renewal for the license in the Philippines. They didn't accept it. Good thing I still have the old driver's license in me, and that's what they took. And they took it after the test because it's already expired. Also, if you're from the Philippines, you're allowed to drive here with your Philippine license for 6 months. People are driving already when they get here. They get a car and then drive here because you are allowed to drive for 6 months. That's according to the officer that I talked to when I took the test. So where was I? But if you're a new driver, then after you pass the written test, you will need to wait for 8 months before you can take your road test. And after you take road test and you pass, then you will be given a driving license class 7 2. That allows you to drive without any supervision from a class 5 driver, except from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. So if you're driving from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m., you will still need to have a class 5 driver license holder with you. Well, basically that's it. This is just a quick video. I just want to share to you about that stuff. And I'm actually outside the public library of St. John. I'm not sure if you can see it. And as I mentioned earlier, weather is good today, so I decided to make a vlog. And yeah, I'm just walking around trying to take some sunset photos. You can still see there's still a lot of snow here because like 3 days ago, we had a snowstorm here. You probably seen that in the news that the entire city is covered with thick snow. And yeah, it was scary, but it was fun at the same time. I'm going to, I actually just remember I still need to go to Lawton's to pick up the package that I ordered from Amazon. Canada Post tried to deliver it in the apartment, but I was not there, so they decided to left it in the Lawton's pharmacy, their Canada Post drop off. So I have to go there and get that package. Alright, hey guys, so I just got back from Canada Post. I just got the package as well. And I, by the way, forgot to tell you the amount that you'll be paying after you pass the road test. It's gonna be $90. So $90 for your license. It's not cheap. So that's why people here are really taking care of their licenses. Because if you commit a violation, it's gonna be a point system. So every violation is a corresponding points. And then if you lose all your points, then they will not allow you to drive anymore. So, well, basically that's it. I hope you learned something, even just a little bit. All I really want to be the outcome of this vlog is for you guys to have at least a little bit an idea, and it's up to you to research more about those things that I have discussed today. And I thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching my vlog. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so you'll be updated if I have a new videos to upload. And salamat kayo sa tanan, og maayong adlaw. Bye.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. The world keeps on turning, the struggles never end, but take on my